Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bacon, UK style, with an easy guide. First, let's master pan frying. Choose good quality British bacon, either back or streaky. Heat a heavy-bottomed frying pan over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Place your bacon rashers in a single layer, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden and crispy. This classic method is quick and delivers fantastic results every time. Next, let's explore baking bacon in the oven for consistent crispiness. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your bacon on a baking tray, ideally lined with parchment paper for super easy cleanup. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, remembering to flip the rashers halfway through for even cooking. This hands-off approach yields perfectly crispy bacon with minimal fuss, making it ideal for larger batches. For a slightly smoky flavor and a different texture, grilling is an excellent option. Preheat your grill to a medium-high setting for about 5 minutes. Carefully place your bacon rashers on a grill rack, ensuring they don't overlap. Grill for 2 to 4 minutes per side, keeping a close eye on them to prevent any burning. Grilling gives your bacon a lovely crispness and that distinct, delicious smoky taste that many people adore, perfect for a hearty breakfast. Finally, here are some essential tips for achieving perfect bacon every single time. Always start with cold bacon. This helps ensure even cooking and prevents the rashers from curling up. Remember not to overcrowd your pan or tray. Cook in batches if necessary to maintain consistent heat. Once cooked, drain your bacon on paper towels to remove any excess fat. Serve immediately with your favorite breakfast items or tucked into a delicious sandwich. Enjoy your perfectly cooked bacon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.